Cap 26 here, just who tips appears in hobbies, and we took all the supports off of this. This is one of the back plates, and it slides in here like this, like that. Push. And I'm not too sure why it has this right here, because Snoopy actually goes on top, and we're gonna put Snoopy together next. So my wrist is really hurting, guys. I'm gonna have to get that taken care of again. Got a bad wrist. I don't know how I was born with that, you know. We got the little bird here. Hopefully we can release them from this support material. Just getting in here and taking the support material off. I forgot what this, anybody know the name of the bird? I forget the name of the bird in Snoopy. Okay, so we're going to put them in here. We got the lettering there, Snoopy in there. Forget the name of the bird. So, that down there. Yeah, I'm not too sure about this back part here of the house. Oh, you know what? I think that's so you can mount it somewhere. You can mount it on the wall. Yeah, that's what that is. You find a stud and you mount this and you slide the house onto the wall. That's what that's for. We're not gonna do that. Let's put these parts over here. Put some of these tools away. Get the glue out. And I think his ears go straight out. I don't think the glue's gonna work with this. I'm gonna have to get the putty out. Fun. Now I gotta twist putty with my bad wrist. Oh well. With the scissors here. Because it's just gluing onto that, and you'd be sitting there all day trying to get the glue to attached. With the putty, you can just stick it on there. So I gotta twist this. Put the glue away. Hope you guys are doing well today. Hope you're enjoying the videos, and I always promise that after I do a print, I show you the prints. I assemble them, paint them, show you what they look like. That's the fun part, right? I'm hoping to get up more subscribers, so please subscribe and give a thumbs up. If you really like any of my repairs or any of this, please donate $1, you know, if you want. It's up to you, you know, it's not required, but if you like what I do, it would be nice. I'll pay for things. I have to pay for the PLA and the plastic and everything, and that all adds up. I'm glad this stuff is soft because, boy, does my wrist hurt. Ugh. Okay. So we're going to take a little piece like that. I like to put this on top of a container or plastic like that. And we're going to put it right there. Because his ears actually, he's a funny guy. He are straight out in this one. So he's kind of funny. This stuff works well. Put it down there. Put it down there. So he sits on top like that. With the ears straight out. I'm going to put the bird right on his toe. How's that? We got to put his nose on. So put that right there. And this is his nose. And then with the green stuff, we're going to make the his eyes. So we're going to roll it in a ball. And put them like that. Hopefully we can get another piece the same size. Now, what do you think? I should put the bird on now too, right? Actually, his eyes are actually way in front like this. So like that, we'll do that. This part, I don't know what this part belongs to. This could be for putting the bird on his foot. So let's go like this. Because that bird is funny. He comes up and looks at the bird on his foot, you know. So we'll put it there on his foot like that. Then we'll reach in here and we'll get the bird. Oh. I wish I could save this this stuff here, but they say wrap it in cellophane, you know. So there's the bird like that. And let's flatten his eyes out a little bit. Now there's Snoopy, the bird. Put these scissors away. So he's going to go on top of the house, and we're going to put Snoopy, his name, up here. Okay, he's going to go on top like this with more green stuff. So that's what he's going to look like. Well, I thank you for watching. Have a great day. God bless you. Please rate and subscribe and give a thumbs up. We'll see you next time. Bye for now.